Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome you all in today's lecture. Today we are going to discuss how to write an application in English. So first I'll discuss what is application. It is a formal way of requesting something. It is usually in written form. It is a document that is used to make a formal request for something. So in short, application is a formal request to be considered for a position or to be allowed to do or have something. It is submitted to an authority, institution or organization. There are three main features that you have to keep in mind while writing an application. Number one, you must know to whom you are writing an application. Number two, what is the problem behind writing an application? Number three, what is the possible solution you want to? Application writing is not a difficult task. Everything is mentioned in question. Let me explain with the help of example. Write an application to the principal for fee concession. Key feature 1 is to whom you are writing an application. The answer is present in question. Write an application to the principal, so you have to write an application to the principal. Point 2. What is the problem and reason behind writing an application? This is the thing that is present in your mind, that why you are requesting, why you are writing this application. Point 3. What is the possible solution you want to? Yes, this is also mentioned in question as write an application to the principal for fee concession. This is what you want. I told you that these three features of an application is very important, so you have to keep in mind while writing an application. In this way, there is no need to cram application for different works. You have to write by yourself, that purely your creativity. It sounds good with respect to board exams. Now I'll discuss format of application writing. There are three parts of writing an application. Part 1 address, part 2 main body and part 3 complimentary closing. So let me take an application as an example to write the proper pattern of application writing. Write an application to the principal for arranging an educational trip. In part 1, you have to address to the person to whom you are writing an application. So the principal, put comma at the end of the principal, and don't use to because it was an old style of writing application. Then write school name, use ABC dot instead of name of a school. Then city in the form of DEF dot, again no need to write city name. Here I want to clear one thing, that if you put dots between ABC and DEF, it's okay. You will not lose marks. So after that you have to write subject. S of subject is capitalized and put colon in front of subject. And be precise while writing subject and try to write in one sentence. Then salutation, respected sir, madam, and put comma. After salutation, main body starts. Main body is very important of any application. There are different points that you have to keep an eye while writing this section. You have to write main body into two paragraphs. In first paragraph, you have to mention two things. Number 1, give the explanation of the subject. Number 2, give the reasons behind making a request. In second paragraph, you have to make a request about what you want. Second paragraph is short as compared to the first one. And you have to use formal language because application is highly formal document. And at the end, you have to write complimentary closing note as yours obediently and comma. Here there is no punctuation mark in yours, but if you put comma, you will lose marks, so be careful. And write O of obediently in capital letter. After that, you have to write XYZ dot instead of your name. And at the end, write date. The style of writing date should be the same, otherwise you may lose marks. I hope this is enough for you to understand the pattern of application writing. At the end of the lecture, there is an assignment for you people. You have to write an application to the principal for fee concession on loose sheet. I hope this lecture will be helpful for understanding the format of application writing. Thank you.